Hello, my dear student. A very good afternoon to you all, and hope you are safe and well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I'm also fine and safe. Dear my student, I will take a English class for the student of class 9. Today, I will discuss the new topics. The topics means degree. Dear learners, listen to me and what I say. Okay? Please take your pen and notebook. So dear guys, let's the class start. Today I will discuss new topics, degree. Okay? Degree. Look at the board flow. You can see that the degree means you know that the degree is very kind of adjective. There are three kind of degree: positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive degree means positive is no comparison. Comparative means anything to one or two person, but superlative degree, the comparison between two and more person. I hope that you understand what I say: comparative, superlative, and positive. Okay, dear guys, I will discuss how we can convert the superlative to positive. Superlative to positive. So, to pass. So, to pass. Soap to pass, soap superlative, pass positive. ठीक है सर? Soap positive, pass, soap superlative, pass positive. How we can convert? The superlative to positive. Yes, we can convert the superlative to positive. Some of rules, and then I discuss and that the rules how we can convert the superlative to positive. How we can change CH, how we can convert CON, how we can convert sub to pass, how we can convert the sub to pass. Yes, we can change, we can convert or change, you can use convert. You can use convert or change. How we can convert superlative to positive. Yes, we can convert the superlative to positive degree. The sum of rules. First rules. Number one, no other plus after the part of EA or the part, no other after the part of after the part of soap, that means superlative degree, no other plus after the part of superlative degree plus hard plus so or as plus superlative from positive superlative so from positive plus as plus another part be a part of sentences. Dear guys, here's the whiteboard flow. Rows number 1, and you can convert the superlative degree. First of all, no other plus after the part of superlative degree plus hard plus so plus as plus so from pause plus as plus another part of sentences. I hope that you understand what I say. Such as Rana is the tallest boy in the class. Rana is the tallest boy in the class. Can you see? Yes, Rana is the tallest boy in the class. That means it is a superlative degree. You can convert, you can change, or you can change positive. How you can change? These the sentences positive. It is not doesn't matter. Is that or else is follow. Okay. First, no other. That means no other after the part of superlative degree. After the part of superlative degree, please attention. After the part of superlative degree, that means in this the sentence after the part of superlative degree, boy in the class. Boy in the class. So no other boy in the class. Boy in the class. No other boy in the class. As is the part is. That means so you can use so or as. So no other boy in the class is so as a superlative from positive degree. That means in this the sentence superlative degree tallest. Are you okay? I said tallest from superlative degree. You can change the positive degree tall as after the part of sentences. That means after the part of sentences, run. So dear learners, when we can change the superlative to positive, no other after the part of superlative degree plus hard plus as plus sub to pause plus as plus after another part of sentences. Clear? Next, I will give next example. Poppy is the most beautiful beautiful. Poppy is the most beautiful girl. Girl. Poppy is the most beautiful girls. Girl at Mirpur. Change pause. So dear guys, that's the follow. Poppy is the most beautiful girl at Mirpur. Yes, as no other after the part of superlative degree, that means after the part of superlative degree, girl at Mirpur, girls at Mirpur. That means verb taken, that here his verb is no other girls at Mirpur is as. So this is superlative from positive. That means superlative, or what kind of superlative degree? Yes, most beautiful. Here the superlative degree from most beautiful. That means positive from beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful as Poppy. The most important question you can use is are. This question, so when you are use the are, yes, it is the plural form. It's a Poppy. Poppy is the most. So says, I mean, same example. Now I am giving Poppy. P-O-P-Y. Poppy is the most. M-O-S-T, most beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Poppy is the most beautiful girls. G-I-R-L-S, girls at Mirpur. Here guys, attention please, and look at the same sentence. This is the sentence to just the change. That means girls. As a singular form, it's plural form. Are you okay? Understand please? As a singular form, it's a plural form. When you get the plural form, you must be uses are. Okay? It depend on these the sentences. This is the auxiliary verb. That means, dear guys, look, Poppy, no other, or DH here, no other girls, G-I-R-L-S, no other girls at Mirpur, no other girls at Mirpur is. It is the right? Not. Because you can use are. So this is the difference of the sentences. Yes, this is the girl and girls. Girls, that means one person, but girls, that means and the many of person. Okay? That means girls uses, so we are use are. This is the plural form. That means plural form are is girls. Beautiful. P-I-F-U-L. Beautiful as Poppy. Dear guys, I hope that you are understand. This is the first of rules. Okay? So I will discuss next rules. Dear guys, thank you so much. I will finish my class. Next class, I will discuss about the next of goals of degree. Thank you so much, those who are listening to my presentation, and thank you very much. That's all.